Well, folks, here's an update on my state of Tennessee my appeal. I want to cover up my street address there for all you trolls out there. But anyway, my court date, plaintiff, state of Tennessee versus David Sardi, which should read state of Tennessee versus the citizens of the state of Tennessee, because if we let them get away with this, if they can do this to me, they're going to do it to you. So basically, the reason that I'm appealing is because they said my YouTube videos are too revolutionary. I talk about overthrowing the government. Unfortunately, the Tennessee Constitution says it's our duty to toss them out. So, I am being constitutional, and they consider that revolutionary and dangerous. I am dangerous. I am a risk of danger to the public. And if a gang of people gangs up and attacks me, I might shoot them. That is still a distinct possibility. But anyway, so if all y'all gangs of homos out there, you want to gang up and stomp my butt, you know what? I'll probably shoot the leader first. Just like they teach you in the military. You go for command and control first. So if there's a gang of people coming after you, the person that's egging everybody on, you shoot him first. And then the others will more than likely run away. So you always take out command and control first. Anyhow. Here we go. Let me just fold this down. Reference case number 2013-CV-430 for anybody who wants to look it up. That's the case number. It's going to be heard in front of Judge John D. Wootten, Jr. You are hereby notified above reference case has been appealed and is set to be heard in the Circuit Court for Wilson County, Tennessee, at the Wilson County Judicial Center located at 134 College Street, Lebanon, Tennessee, on the 4th day of October 2013 at 10 a.m. So you are all invited. All Tennesseans come and see what's going on. There's no doubt they're going to bring up my 20-year-old where I was arrested for public drunk or whatever else, when I was going through a divorce. They're going to bring that up. Yeah, back then I was skinny too. Anyway, they're going to bring up 20-year-old crap. But there it is. You are all invited because the reason for the overthrow of the other one was YouTube videos. And this will also go for anybody that has a blog, any Facebook pages. The government is now using your Facebook and everything against you. So basically what they're doing, what this appeal is about is social media being cause for your rights to be removed. There it is right there, folks. You are all invited to see the circus. I want to hear, and be sure to bring good hearing aids, because you need to hear the questions and the reasons that the district attorney gives. He brings up the doctor's report saying that I was bipolar. Well, the doctor's report said I was delusional for saying that I was going to be on Doomsday Preppers. That was before the show aired. And the doctor said I was delusional. I had visions of grandeur. Anyway, hey, May Beavers, Senator Beavers, if you're out there, you may want to attend this court proceeding because, in that document, the doctor said I was nuts for knowing you. The same doctor that said I was bipolar because I had visions of grandeur. So, anyhow, all of y'all handgun carry permit people, that means if they succeed in this, you better get shut down your Facebook pages, shut down your YouTube, because they're using all of that as evidence. I mean, literally, they grab all this stuff as evidence to use against you. So, that in itself is unconstitutional, because we have a huge First Amendment tool right here in YouTube and social media. The government doesn't like us talking to each other because we're revolutionary. We're dangerous. And as it should be. We should be dangerous. Let's put it this way. The military has given the Lebanon Police Department armored vehicles. So the people of the county of Wilson County and Lebanon, Tennessee need to have the means to stop an armored vehicle now. That's my opinion. You give the police armored vehicles, I guess we have to have bazookas. I mean, or law. I don't think they're real heavily armored. Probably a Laws, RPG would probably penetrate and stop it. So since the police have armored vehicles, now we have to have RPGs. Go figure. And you say, well, that's nuts. The police are here to protect us. Yeah, who protects us from the police? Come on. Who protects us from the government? I think it was the Second Amendment and the 26th. Anybody interested and thinks this doesn't happen, thinks that this does not happen in modern times, look up the Battle of Athens, Tennessee. 1948, as early, just 60, a little over 60 years ago. Right here in Tennessee, the people had to take up arms to overthrow the Cantrells out of office. Now, in Wilson County, Tennessee, we have the same problem. We have people that are elected to this political name recognition. People go to the ballots in Wilson County, and they vote by name recognition. And Wilson County desperately needs somebody to come here to run for sheriff. We need a sheriff that's not from around here. Here's what I would like to see. I would like to see a combat vet, maybe a Marine or Special Forces, with some law enforcement that can come from another county and come to Wilson County and run for sheriff. That's what I would like to see. And, of course, I'd like them to be a Christian and believe in Jesus and all like that. But, that's when, if somebody would come here and run, I mean, I would back them. I mean, if I could find somebody to run for governor that was in better shape than me, that would actually do right and take his oath of office seriously, I'd pull out a governor race and give it to him. Sure would. But I ain't found that yet. Ain't nobody said they're running that even would remotely take that oath of office seriously. Because you're not only saying uphold the U.S. Constitution, you're also the Tennessee Constitution. And nowhere in any of those constitutions does it say sodomites get special rights. So, there you go. Let me see, what was that date again? October 4th, 10 a.m. Let's see. I'll put it in the more info section.